Do you want to know how to make a guy want more of you? It's not as difficult as you might think. All you have to do is learn about how men think and what they deeply desire in a woman. According to psychology, there are certain things you can do to make a man want more of you. And when you don't understand these things, your chance of making him yours plummets. By following the 11 tips that we are going to show you, you will have him wrapped around your finger in no time. Just make sure to not use this information to trick a man or to play mind games with him. Use these tips to build a stronger and more genuine connection with the man you think is special. Before we get into the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Let's start. Number 11. Keep him guessing. Keeping a guy guessing can be a great way to keep things interesting and to make sure he's always on his toes. Of course, that doesn't mean being completely evasive or playing games. Instead, it's all about finding a balance between being open and honest with your feelings while still maintaining an air of mystery. For example, you might share some details about your past while leaving others for him to discover. Or you could be vague about your plans for the future, letting him wonder what you're up to. By keeping a few things to yourself, you'll ensure that he always has something to look forward to learning about you. This will make him want to continue spending time with you and getting to know you better. Number 10. Revamp your look. It's no secret that men are visual creatures, and one of the easiest ways to make a man want more of you is by revamping your look. Now, this doesn't mean that you should go out and buy a whole new wardrobe or get cosmetic surgery. But simply making a few small changes to your appearance can make a big difference. For instance, you might try a new hairstyle or experiment with your makeup. Or you could switch up your style of clothing for something that's more flattering and feminine. Even something as simple as wearing heels instead of flats can make you look and feel more attractive. Not only will it shift his perception of you, but it'll also make you feel more confident and desirable. Two qualities that are sure to draw him in. Number 9. Become more confident. A woman who is secure in herself and doesn't need constant validation from other people is incredibly attractive to most men. This is a quality that you can start developing by working on your confidence. First, make a list of all the things that you love about yourself, both inside and out. Then, whenever you start to feel down or doubt yourself, read through this list and remind yourself of how great you truly are. This is a proven technique to train your subconscious mind to focus on the positive aspects of your life and will help you to feel more confident in yourself. This simple shift will not only make you more attractive to men, but it'll also make you feel happier and more fulfilled in life. Number 8. Compliment his masculinity. To fully understand this point, you have to understand how men biologically think. One of the things that is important to most men is feeling like they're strong and capable. They want to feel like they can protect and provide for those they care about. This means that if you want to make a guy want more of you, it can be very effective to compliment his masculinity. Tell him how strong and capable he is. Compliment him on his ability to provide and protect. Let him know that you feel safe and secure when you're with him. Doing this will not only make him feel good about himself, but it'll also make him feel more attracted to you. This is called triggering his hero instinct. Recent studies in male psychology have shown that it's a very powerful way to get a man to feel more connected and develop a deep desire for you. You can learn more about it by checking out the first link in the description after watching this video. Number 7. Make him feel good around you. Making a guy feel good around you is one way to make sure he wants more with you. The simplest things can sometimes have the biggest impact. For example, if you know he's had a rough day, ask him how his day was and really listen to the answer. Or if you're out together and he does something funny, laugh, even if it wasn't that funny. Just let him know that you enjoy being around him, and he will want to be around you more. Number 6. Be independent. Independence is one of the most attractive qualities a person can have. When you are independent, you are confident and self-sufficient, two traits that are sure to draw others to you. And when it comes to relationships, being independent can be especially helpful in making a guy want more from you. A man wants to be with someone who is comfortable in her own skin and who doesn't always need him to take care of her. Most men find this incredibly refreshing and attractive because it shows a potential partner who's secure enough to not be clingy or needy. So don't be afraid to go after what you want. Be your own person and let your independence shine through. Number 5. Show interest in his life. Did you know that one of the proven ways to make a guy want you more is to show interest in his life? It's true. When you take an interest in the things that he enjoys, it'll make him feel special and appreciated. For example, if he's into sports, ask him about his favorite teams and players. Or if he's into a certain hobby, ask him to teach you more about it. Just showing him that you care about the things that matter to him will go a long way in making him want more with you. Number 4. Be a challenge to him. For those who are asking, what does it mean to be a challenge? The answer is simple. Don't make it easy for him. Of course, you don't want to play games or lead him on, but you also don't want to appear too eager or available. Let him work a little bit for your attention and affection. This will not only make him feel more invested in the relationship, but it'll also make him appreciate you more. Many men lose interest in women who are easy to get. So if you want him to want more with you, make sure you're a challenge for him. Number 3. Show him that you love and respect yourself. Self-love and self-respect are two of the most important things you can have in a relationship. When you love and respect yourself, it shows. You carry yourself with confidence, and you're able to put your needs first without feeling guilty. This is incredibly attractive to men because it shows that you're not going to be a doormat. You're not going to put up with his crap, and you're not going to let him take advantage of you. This does not mean you are rude or disrespectful. It just means that you know your worth, and you're not going to settle for anything less than you deserve. Number 2. Be flirty, but in a good way. What does it mean to be flirty? Being flirty means being fun, playful, and friendly. It's about showing your interest in someone without being too forward or pushy. One of the proven ways to make a guy want more from you is to be flirty with him. This doesn't mean that you have to act like a giggly schoolgirl around him, but it does mean that you should be playful, fun, and friendly. Smile at him, make eye contact, touch him lightly on the arm or shoulder. Flirting is a great way to express your interest in someone without becoming too serious too quickly. The key is to be genuine and respectful, and not to overdo it. A little bit of flirting can go a long way. Number 1. Show that you accept him. If you want to make a guy want more with you, one of the best things you can do is show that you accept him for who he is. This means being okay with him even if he's not perfect. It means being able to see the good in him even when he makes mistakes. It also means being supportive and understanding even when things are tough. When a guy feels like he's being accepted, it opens up a whole new world of possibilities. He feels like he can be himself without judgment. He feels like he can relax and be himself around you. As a result, he's more likely to want to be with you and to want to keep building on what you have together. Final thoughts. While most of the given tips in this video are psychology-based, remember that not all men are the same. What works for one man might not work for another. The key is to always be yourself and to show the world the best version of yourself. If you can do that, you're sure to attract the man of your dreams, the one who truly deserves you and accepts you for who you are. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out the recommended videos that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.